Roemah Kelapa Indonesia is committed to fostering collaboration across various sectors to enhance the coconut industry. We have established partnerships with prominent institutions, including Bogor Agriculture University, Lund University, and RWTH Aachen, to promote international knowledge exchange and research development.
Ya, oke. Jadi itu 2 hari. Baru kemarin saya bersama keluarga. 15 hari di Indonesia sama keluarga itu.
Our engagement extends to local and international coconut organizations, government bodies, and farmers, aimed at creating a diverse platform for insights, which will lead to the establishing of the Coco Academy Indonesia. This academy will serve as a center of excellence, offering training programs and workshops to improve the coconut industry's capacity and sustainability. We focus on unity among stakeholders, including academics, farmers, and entrepreneurs, to drive initiatives that facilitate cooperation between coconut farmers and industry stakeholders.
Jadi kamu mengandalkan manusia macam apa? Ya, berdasarkan feeling, ya gitu. Itu industri perangkatnya untuk berkembang tuh. Ininya aja Pak, teknologinya berubah-ubah ini.
Betul. Itu kan panas tuh harusnya ke atas.
Iya betul.
Kalau ini bisa dia ke bawah.
Betul.
Karena kesedot.
Betul.
Our Coco Academia program specially aims to empower small, medium entrepreneurs in the coconut sectors through comprehensive training in technology, marketing, and compliance. We emphasize sustainable practices that enhance farmers' welfare while maximizing coconut value. Roemah Kelapa Indonesia also champions a zero-waste integrated farming model, providing consultancy services to optimize production and improve product quality. Our vision encompasses driving positive change in the coconut industry, unlocking its full potential, and contributing to a sustainable future. We invite collaboration to achieve shared goals, ultimately benefiting farmers and communities while upholding the highest standards of environmental stewardship.